Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here, with your day one outlook for both fire weather and severe weather. We're going to start off with the fire weather risk, the fire weather outlook first. We have an elevated fire weather risk area today that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and west central Nebraska. So we have an elevated fire weather risk area today. So in synopsis, broad mid-level troughing over eastern Canada and the U.S. will gradually shift eastward today as ridging builds over the southwest. As the pattern shifts eastward, northwesterly flow aloft will weaken across much of the central and northern high plains. As high pressure strengthens, a surface cold front will surge southward across the central Great Plains with much cooler temperatures behind it. Right. Southeast Wyoming into northern Colorado and western Nebraska. Lingering dry downslope flow is expected across parts of the central high plains I should say plains, not plains. It's a typo. The high plains is a typo. High plains from southern Wyoming into northern Colorado today. Northwest flow aloft is forecast to gradually weaken as western U.S. ridging gradually amplifies and shifts eastward, while upper air support should slacken through the day. A fairly strong east-west pressure gradient should still maintain northwesterly low-level flow of 20 to 25 miles per hour across the southern South Laramie Range, Cheyenne Range, and northern Colorado, with unusually warm temperatures and continued downslope flow. Relative humidity values of 15 to 25% and a few hours of locally stronger wind gusts are expected. Recent model guidance has shown an increase in both wind speed and duration through the first half of the day. Given very dry fuels, the meteorological conditions should support a few hours of elevated fire weather concerns into this afternoon. Fire weather conditions should end overnight into early D2 Sunday as the aforementioned cold front moves in overnight. For southwest Florida, ahead of the eastern portion of the cold front, scattered thunderstorms are expected across parts of Florida. Ongoing drought and recent fire activity indicate receptive fuels over southwestern parts of the peninsula. While some rain is expected, areas that do not receive significant precipitation may allow for some ignitions, given the potential for lightning. So, that's your day one fire weather outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in these areas today. And if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, flashlights, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event they need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fire can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in the elevated area. Please avoid outdoor burning. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit, because 1, that's littering. 2, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, that's your fire weather outlook. Going to the day one severe weather outlook now. Oh, it's up here. Okay. So, for the severe weather portion, I think I'm filling in for SPC Convective Outlook. He is volunteering today and will not be able to do the day one severe weather outlook video. So I'll be filling in for SPC Convective Outlook, I believe. Alright, so we have a marginal risk for severe weather today covering southeastern Florida. Cities in today's marginal include Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Pembroke Pines, Florida, and Hollywood, Florida. Going to the tornado threat for today. There is no tornado threat for today. Going to the wind. We have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering southeastern Florida. The 5% wind risk area today includes Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Pembroke Pines, Florida, and Hollywood, Florida. And now for the hail threat, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering southeastern Florida. The 5% hail risk area today includes Miami, Florida, Hialeah, Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Pembroke Pines, Florida, and Hollywood, Florida. So, in summary, isolated strong to severe thunderstorms may occur across parts of the central and southern Florida peninsula this afternoon and evening. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. And again, I think I'm filling in for SPC convective outlooks for the severe weather portion of the video. Since I think he mentioned he's volunteering today, so he may not be able to do the day 1 outlook video for severe weather. So just in case that's the case, I am filling in for him. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, even though it's only marginal, because sometimes marginal can produce some pretty strong storms, and you don't know what the heck they can pull off sometimes. So, so for right now, day 2 remains strong with thunderstorms. So for right now, there is no need for a day 2 outlook video. Okay, for right now, there's no need for a day 2. But if day 2 does, if day 2 does get upgraded to a marginal, then I will have a day 2 severe weather outlook video. So stay safe in the marginal today, and I will see you when I see you. Take care.